Welcome to Men and the City. This is a channel about a masculine awakening, a new identity emerging in the minds of men from Berlin to Boston, from London to Los Angeles. On this channel, we will unpack how this masculine awakening, this neo-masculinity, is shaking up global politics, the macroeconomy, and the sexual marketplace. We will discuss how to survive and thrive in the troubled times ahead. A revolt, a backlash against feminism, corporatism, globalism, against evil is underway. Men are reconnecting with the archetypes of the past to become the men of the future. Welcome to the movement. Welcome to the beginning of a new cycle, an age of restoration.